Looking for a simple way to communicate with customers or your team using your Android phone? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Google Messages for business communication, including tips for staying organized, sharing files, and keeping conversations professional. Start by installing Google Messages if it isn't already on your phone, then make it your default messaging app. Yeah, if your carrier supports it, enable RCS chats for improved messaging features. Create separate conversations for different customers or team members. Use contact names whenever possible so it's easier to recognize each conversation without searching through phone numbers. Use Google Messages to send appointment details, delivery updates, quotes, invoices, directions, or other important information. So you can also attach photos and supported files whenever additional details are needed. If you spend most of your day at a computer, pair your phone with Google Messages for web. This lets you reply to customers using your keyboard while keeping every conversation synced with your phone. Reply promptly, write clear messages, and double-check information before sending. Keeping your conversations organized and professional helps build trust with customers and improves communication. Finally, enable Google account backups so your conversations are protected if you replace or reset your phone. It's also a good idea to lock your device with a secure screen lock to help protect customer information. And that's how to use Google Messages for business communication. With organized conversations, fast replies, file sharing, and desktop access, it can be a practical tool for staying connected with customers and your team. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more technology tutorials, and thanks for watching.